Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about telling your story. Uh, Getting media attention is all about the story that you can tell. What makes it interesting, exciting, fascinating? I talked to someone today, and his story literally made the hair on my neck stand up. I can't wait to work with him. It was just so moving and inspiring. So, what is that story that you can bring to the media that will really engage their audience and get them excited to hear what you have to say? You will reap all of the benefits of having a story done about you, whether it's super specific to your industry or kind of more broad, but there are links that go back, and you will reap the benefits of it. So really think about your story when you pitch the media, and what that story is and how it provides value to the audience. So that is this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. If you like this tip, please join our no-cost PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. You sign up, we go through 10 days together. It's about 10 minutes every day, probably not even 10 minutes a day. But that at the end, you will really be positioned as an expert in your industry, and you will hopefully already be getting some media coverage as well. So I'll see you in the group, and then I'll see you in the media.